guys, welcome to another video, Styles by Trees. In today's video I'm going to show you how I DIY this beautiful, inexpensive wall decor. I got from Hobby Lobby. 80% of what I got, I actually got it 50% off. So this project was under $35 for me to do, which is great because we all about saving your money. The bottom one, if you want to, because it is Christmas. Praise Jesus. Amen. Add some festive pics to it, you know, to kind of put you in the holiday spirit. You definitely can go in, take out the pics, switch them up for the different seasons of the year. You guys, if you want to see how I did them, make sure you guys stay tuned. For anyone that is new here, welcome. If you have not already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have been looking at me for a while, thank you so much for coming back. Make sure you guys hit the like button if you do enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Cute. Alright, so this wood form I got from Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99. This one is Hobby Lobby as well, and it was $13.99. On these two, I did pay full price for those. This pick, again, from Hobby Lobby. Beautiful, absolutely love it. It is originally $12.99, but they were having a sale on all their picks, so I only paid $6.50 for it, roughly. This one was $9.99. Again, got it 50% off. The pine picks were $2.99 a piece. I got 4, and again, I paid 50% off for them. So we're going to start off with just one of the pine picks, and all you're going to do is just find a place on the form where you want to stick it, and you just insert it into. Once you have it placed well inside, just take the back end of that pick and just wrap it around any branch that you want to. So when you move on to the next pick, you want to make sure you're placing about halfway to 3/4 down the bottom end of the last pick that you put on. Find another spot to secure it. Fluff it out. And again, just take and wrap it around a branch. And you're just going to keep repeating that process until all your picks are on the form. Once all your picks are on, just fluff it out to help make it look full. Pretty. Alright, so next I'm just going to take the berries and place it towards the end of the last pine pick that I put on the form. You definitely can place your berries in any area of your form that you would like to. Now I'm someone that likes to keep the twist ties for my bread bag, so I pulled some of those out of the drawer, and I'm just going to take one to help secure those berries to the form. On to the second piece of wall decor. What I'm going to do with this pick is take and cut pieces off of it. Make sure, guys, if you're like me and instead of using a wire cutter and you're using scissors, you're being very careful. While you're cutting it, if you get to a point where it's getting a little hard to actually cut with the scissors, just start wiggling it off with your fingers and it will easily come off for you. So you're just going to take your cut pieces from that pick and just place it on that form however you choose. Once you get it placed on there, you can take the part of the stem and just wrap it around any piece of wood that's on there. When you first starting out, just make sure when you add on your next piece that is covering up that piece of stem that you have wrapped around. And you're just going to continue to do the same thing. Just take another piece from that pick, place it on your form however you choose to. Just make sure so it does look clean. You are grouping it together, helping that whatever side you put it on to make sure that it looks full. Fluff those leaves out. Wrap the end of that stem around a piece of wood and just continue until you are out of pieces from that pick. Taking another one of those twist ties, I'm going to wrap it around a piece from that pick to secure it to the form. And just make sure, guys, if you're being like me and using a colored twist tie and not any piece of floor wire, that you're doing a great job to make sure that you hide that twist tie so it won't be looking tacky on your wall. You took some tips and pointers from it. I hope you guys go out and try to do this on your own as well. I've been looking for something to put on this wall, and I also want to put something on, move back, this side as well. But of course I wasn't trying to go out and spend a lot of money for it. And then in all things, make sure you put the good Lord first and don't be out here doing nothing you know you ain't got no business doing. Bye y'all.